Hi everyone, good evening. So guys, let's start with the demo session. Okay, so we'll start with the demo part of data analysis. Okay, so let's start. Before starting this, anyone know what is a data analysis? Anyone know what is data analysis? Okay. So guys, data analysis, first of all, let me explain you about the data analysis. Okay. So data analysis is a concept where we analyze the data, okay, from various different sources, okay, and then we share this, whatever analyze after analyzing whatever data we are getting, that we are sharing to the clients. Okay. Now guys, let's see what are the main things about the data analysis. Okay. First of all, I'll tell you about the ATOM main product. Let me introduce about the myself also and also about the ATOM main product. Okay. So first of all, good evening. My name is Akshay and I'm basically from Pune. Total, I have almost 9 years of experience, and in just 9 years, I've worked with many industries. Okay. I've started my journey with Tata Motors and right now working with A2M in Infotech uh, from since 2 years. Okay. And when we come back to the A2M Infotech, A2M Infotech is a placement company and training institute. Okay. Where we provide different courses and also we provide 100% placements. Okay. Uh, okay. So not for data analysis, we are providing a placement for different roles also. Like we have different courses also. Now, today we are learning about the data analysis. Okay. Now let's start with the data analysis. Now let me start about the data. Okay. Like data is nothing but guys informations. Okay. Like you know that whenever in any company, okay, whether it is a production based company, manufacturing based company, okay, or any company, okay, every day the data is generated. Okay. To handle the huge number of data, okay. So the people are like the companies are hiring the guy that is called as data analyst. Okay. Now let's see, we'll take example of this data analysis. Let me just show you. Let me take example of data analysis. Okay. Imagine you are a data analyst or a business analyst working for a e-commerce company. Okay. That captures sales, products, and other data every day and stored into a database. Okay. Now, guys, let's say you're working for a client called as DMart. I hope guys everyone know DMart. Everyone. Guys, this session should be uh this session should be interactive sessions. Huh? So if I'm asking, at least tell yes or no, that is fine.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Hmm. Okay. What about Chandan, Shivani, Redappa? I hope you know this DMAT, right? Everyone? Okay. Yeah. Okay. See ya. Now let's see you're working for this company. Okay. And then every day the data is stored. Okay. Now there is a question, what can we do with this data? Very important. What you will do with this data? Okay. Now let's see. There are some requirements. Okay. What is the requirement? What the client want to see? They want to see what is the maximum profit. Okay. What are the products that should be in the stock? Okay. And who are buying the products? All this information they want. Okay. So now as a data analyst, what is the role? I'll tell you. As a data analyst, what you'll do? First of all the data is stored into one particular area, which is called as database. So let's say this is your database. Okay. Here the data is stored. Okay. Now, what is the first step of a data analyst? What you will do? You will extract the data. Okay. You'll extract the data, and this extraction is done by the tools called as Power BI, or might we can use Python also, or else might we can use SQL also. So depend on the scenarios, you can use a Python, SQL, or Power BI, whatever you want. Okay. Now after this, your this data is called as a raw data, or as this data you can call it as a chunk data. Okay. So in this, there will be the dirty data also. Okay. There will be some unwanted column, the unwanted data. Okay. There will be some data which is not matching as per the requirement. Okay. All these things will be there. Now, how to get the proper and validate data? Okay. So for this, what the data analyst he will do next step, he will do the data transformation. You can call it as data manipulation. Okay. Now, what is the process of data manipulation? Data manipulation or data transformation is nothing but in this process, what you do the data cleaning, okay, like removing unwanted row, removing unwanted columns, okay, the column which you don't want, then just remove this, okay. Like example, if you want to create one new column, so using two columns, you can create a new column. All these methods are coming in process of called data manipulations, okay. So here, after this, your data will be here will be data transform data. Okay, now this data is called as transform data. Okay, now how this is happen using Power BI or else might be Python also you can use to do the data transformations. Okay, first of all the data is stored. Okay, and then using this data, what we done, we have extracted the raw data. Okay, and then using this raw data, what we have done, we have done the data transformations. Okay, then after that, what you have done, see here. After doing the data transformation, you get using this data, what you can do, you can create a dashboards. Okay, now what is a dashboard, guys? A dashboard is nothing but collection of charts. Okay, like visuals. Okay, what type of visuals? Like here in this particular thing, you are using pie chart. Okay, using your donut chart. Okay, then might be you can use your column chart also. Okay, so all these different charts you are using as per the requirement. Okay, now here, guys, after this database is created using this database is created, this dashboard is created using a tool called as Power BI, or as might be you can use the Python also. Tableau also. Okay. So using Power BI, we can create the dashboards. Okay. Now, first step is nothing but from database, we have extracted the data, raw data, and this we have done using Power BI or as Python or SQL. After the raw data, we have done some data cleaning. Okay. After data cleaning, we have created one dashboard, and this dashboard is created by using a tool called as Power BI or Tableau. Also, okay, you'll be working on Tableau also. And guys, one thing just I need to tell you, in real world, okay, 90% professionals are using Power BI. Why? Because it is easy to understand. Tableau also using. Okay, there is no doubt that Tableau also using. But Tableau for that, you should have good, strong knowledge of that Tableau tool. Okay, and Tableau is a little bit difficult to understand. Okay, that's why people are using Power BI. Okay, so this is nothing but this is the entire workflow of our data analyst in real world. Here, till here, everyone is clear. Any doubts in this? Anyone? Okay. Chandan, Gaurav, Redappa, Samir, any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Now let's move on with next. So guys, here, okay, let's see with this particular sales category visual. Okay. I'll zoom it little bit. Okay. So anyone can tell in this what you are able to observe in this sales category visual. Okay, what you are able to observe. Samir, what are you doing?
So grocery, clothes, food items, leather items.
Okay. Anyone? Yes, Gaurav, you are right. What about remaining people? In this particular thing, what you are able to observe? Shivani, Redappa, Samir,
The
Chandan.
grocery is a percentage of 80%.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. Good. What about you, Shivani, Samir? What you are able to observe in this?
And that is lower is gift item is 0%.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Now, guys, let me explain you the entire thing. Okay. So here, if you see, grocery is having highest number of sales. Okay. And gift item is having very less number of sales. This is the first thing. First information is this: grocery is having highest number of sales, gift item very lowest number of sales. Okay. Second thing, if you see, this three, okay, this three items should be there in all the DMart store. This three item should be there in all the DMart store. Okay. Next is nothing but if you see, after here you can see this gift item is very less number of sales. So what I'll do, I'll just tell this information to my client. Now what he will do, he will start doing the marketing. Once I share this information to my client, he will start doing the marketing. Okay. So guys, if you see in every company, there are like, first of all, what type of marketing he will do? He will do the offline marketing. Okay. And then next, he can do the online marketing. Okay. What is the offline marketing? Like example, this particular DMart store is in Bangalore location. Okay. So in nearby area, he will start publishing the posters. Okay. That if you buy 2 gift item, 1 gift item will be free. Okay. If you buy 3 gift items, you get 10% off on the bill. Okay. In this way, he will start giving the offer. Okay. Next, online marketing. Online marketing is nothing but guys, I hope everyone know that in every company we have one designation called as digital marketing. Everyone know digital marketing? Have you heard?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is that particular guy is doing? He will start doing the marketing. Okay. But where he will do marketing? So, guys, I hope here everyone in this call, okay, 90% people, not 90, 100% people are using Instagrams. Okay. So, when you open the Instagram, okay, and when you scroll the stories, okay, suddenly there is one advertise. Okay. And that advertise is created by this guy, which is called digital marketer. Okay. They'll be having the tie-ups with the social media platforms, and then they will start doing the advertisement. Okay, so this particular thing type of marketing he will do. Then after 1 month, if you see the same data, okay, now gift item has been increased by almost 30 to 40%. Okay, how this happen? Because we have given the information to client has done the marketing, and he has increased his business. Clear, everyone? What is the main role of a data analyst?
Yes.
Okay, now let's move on with next. Here, time of the day. So guys, what you are able to observe in this time of the day? Here, what you are able to observe? See here. If you carefully see, guys, okay, here in the morning, very less people are coming to the demand store. Okay, but in the afternoon and in evening, more people are coming to the demand store and they're buying the products. Okay, so here you can see, I'll just ask a logical question as per part of our business. Okay, so guys, if you think if I open the shop in the morning 10 o'clock, okay, and I close the shop by evening 7 p.m., do you think I'll be having profit or loss? I open the store at 10 o'clock in the morning and close by evening 7 p.m. Do you think I'll be having the good profit or I'm having in the loss?
Sir, loss.
Yes, we're having the
Oh,
loss.
loss, sir.
Yes, loss. Why? Because the peak hours in the evening only. Okay. So we are having, so when you in the peak hours only, if you are closing the store, then no one will visit your store. Okay. So the here also we can tell to the client that morning 10 to evening 10 o'clock your store should be open. Why? People are purchasing more products in the evening. Okay. In the morning, very less people are coming. So what I'll do, I'll just tell this information to client. He will start doing the marketing. Okay. What type of marketing? He will start doing the marketing that if you buy the product before 2 o'clock, you'll get 10% off. Okay. If you buy 2 gift item, 1 gift item will be free before 10 o'clock. Oh, sorry, before 3 p.m. Okay. In this way, he will start doing the marketing. I hope this type of marketing you have seen on the Flipkart as well as Amazon also, like the timing marketing. Okay, so that the people will attract and they will start coming to the store and they will start buying more products. Okay, this is also one strategy. Clear, everyone? And how this happened? Because we have given the information and client has worked according to that. Here also you can see, guys. Okay, in this, what you are able to observe? Simple question.
People coming on weekdays or weekends. Percentage.
Yes, absolutely right. If you see in the weekdays, very less people are coming. Okay, but in the weekends, many people are coming to the store. Okay. So what the data analyst means we will do, we will just give the information to clients, okay, and then we will start doing the marketing. After 1 month, might be this will increase till year, okay, like this will increase till year. Like what type of marketing? If you buy the products from Monday to Friday, you'll get 10% off, okay. If you buy 3 gift items, you'll get 2 gift items from Monday to Friday, okay. He will start doing the marketing so that the people will start also buying the products from Monday to Friday also. Here also, the company will in the profit only. Clear, everyone? Till here, everyone's clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Now let's move on with the next part. Now here, what is the actual work of a data analyst? Okay. So first is nothing but extracting the data. Very, very important. Now you'll be thinking, what is this extractions? Okay. So extraction is a process where we extract the data from different sources. Like we extract the data from website, from the database, from the servers, from the Azure cloud. Okay. We are extracting the data from Excel files, CSV files. There are lots of things from where we can extract the data. Next, we have preparation. Means as per the requirement, whatever data we want, we are just preparing according to that. Okay. Next, we have transformation. Transformation is nothing but we have previously seen only. We have already seen previously. Transformation is nothing but we are removing unwanted data. Okay. Adding the new columns as per the requirement, removing the columns. Okay. All this process is called transformations. Okay. Next, acquire the data from primary or secondary data sources. Okay. Now, primary and secondary. Okay. So, primary data source is nothing but the data source which you will easily available in your ecosystem, like in your companies, like example, Excel files, okay, SQL database, okay, CSV file, JSON file. All these are the data source from where these are the primary data source. Okay. Next, we have secondary data source. Okay. Now, what is the secondary data source? Secondary data source is nothing but the source, like example, the Azure data, Azure cloud. Okay. Not Azure. There are different cloud services like we have AWS, then we have Azure, then we have GCP, then we are extracting the data from websites. Okay. Then the servers. Okay. So all these are nothing but these are called secondary data sources. Okay. Next, analyze the information, identifying pattern and trends. Okay. So guys, whatever we have seen here previously, like this one. This is nothing but analyzing the information only and following the pattern. This is also one pattern. Okay. And even this is also one pattern. Okay. So trends and patterns, we are analyzing this. Next, we have report generation. Very, very important as per part of your real world. Guys, mostly what I have observed in my 10 years career, okay, most of the companies will recommend for daily and weekly reports only. There are the companies they recommend for monthly also, but most of the requirement are for daily and weekly reports. Like example, if you take the example of insurance-based company, or let's see if you take the example of banking-based company, okay, what they want that what is the everyday sales, okay, then what they want, okay, like if you go with weekly reports, okay, in the entire week, okay, how many sales has been done, okay, then in which area we have the highest number of sales, okay, all this information is coming from daily and weekly reports. Using this only people will get the information about that particular product, whatever they are using in real world. Next, monitor and maintain the dashboards and the reports, okay, and this why I'm telling guys, because let's say I'll give an example. Okay. If you share one file, okay, if you share one dashboard to particular client, okay, and if the dashboard is taking almost 5 minutes or 10 minutes to open, do you think he will be happy with your work?
No.
If one, no, he'll be not happy. Why? Because a dashboard should be open within 1 second. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay. So the rule of a data analysis is that your dashboard should open within 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, not more than that. Okay. So to avoid this, you have to monitor and maintain the dashboards so that whenever you share your report or dashboard to client, okay, this particular dashboard should be open and it should not be take too much time. Next, design the dashboards. Okay. Monitor performance matrices. Okay. Designing the dashboard, like example, I was working with previous company. Okay. What they have told me that when you share me the dashboard, okay, here compulsory my company logo should be there. Okay. And in day before, like before that also I was working with a company. What they have told me, like when you share me the report, okay, here should be the logo of the company and it should be little bit lighter color. Okay. It should be little bit faint. So, but the logo should be there. Okay, it should be little bit light. Okay, this type of information, like this type of requirements are coming from the client side. So, guys, till here everyone is clear.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Anyone? Samir, Gauram, Shivani, Kavita, Pash,
No, sir.
uh, Redappa, Samir. Okay, okay, good job. Now let's move on with next. what is the actual career path of a data analyst? Very, very important. Example, guys, you have selected as a data analyst, okay, and then you have completed you have selected as a data analyst and you have completed 2 years as a data analyst, okay. Now, what we can do next? What we can do, okay? So you can become a data scientist also. You are eligible to become a data scientist also, okay, because once you complete the data analysis part, you can become a data scientist also. And here, if you have 5 years of experience, okay, like example, you have now you're a data scientist, okay. After that, what we have done now, you have become a data scientist, okay, and then after 5 years, if you want to upgrade yourself, okay, now total we have 7 years of experience, 2 + 5, 7, okay, then you can become a AI engineer also, okay. I hope, guys, everyone know the meaning of AI. What is full form of AI?
Artificial intelligence.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. Good job, everyone. Okay, AI means artificial intelligence. Okay, so this particular, I hope the best example of AI engine is nothing but ChatGPT. Okay, so the ChatGPT tool is developed by this particular guy. Okay, and for this, you should have at least 5 years of experience minimum, because for fresher, this role is not there. It is only for experienced guys. Okay, next, very interesting. Who can become a data analyst? Okay. So any graduate people, any professionals can become a data analyst. If you see for any job roles, okay. So there is no, if for a specific data analyst, okay, there is no restriction that you should be completely having the good knowledge of, sorry, you should be from proper engineering background, okay. You should have completed a diploma, okay. There might be you should have completed your what we can say, masters, okay, nothing, okay, any graduate and any professionals can become a data analyst, okay. There is not compulsory should from technical team, okay. And here also there should be not from you should be a developer or a different guy from the corporate sector or IT sector, okay. Any professional and any graduate can become a data analyst. That's why, guys, this particular role, this particular course is right now having the highest want in the market, okay. This particular data analysis, okay, then data science is having like right now it is a boom in the market, okay. Everyone or all the graduation people or the people who are still working in a different roles, they are also learning this course, and now they are earning good salaries, okay, because this particular course is having good weightage right now in the real world. Yes, Samir, want
Uh,
to ask?
okay, now, hello.
Yeah, right.
So non-IT to IT is easy to switch on the move on the IT side, right? Non-IT
Yes,
to
you
IT.
can, you can move. No any restriction, don't worry.
They will consider pressure or experience.
They will consider, like example, if you're working, what is your domain, Harappa?
Senior analyst. So my hyperlinking in US mortgage.
Okay, I'll give one example. Okay, let's say you are working for marketing domain. Okay, and then in future there is opening for like data analyst marketing department or a company which is totally based on marketing. Then at the time will be considered as experience, not a fresher, because you already have the domain knowledge, right? But if you are giving the
Yeah.
interview in different domain, like example banking, okay, or any production based company, okay, or any service based company, then will be considered as a fresher. Okay, but don't worry,
Okay.
whatever was your last drawn salary, okay, they will match that salary. Okay, they will not give
Oh,
any
okay.
less
Okay,
salary.
I understood. So from so many people doing for non-IT, so US mortgage, that is BPO. So BPO
Uh,
job, non-wise process. So that
that
person
is,
easily switch on the IT for. Ah, yes, yes. So BPO
yeah,
means
yeah.
that is US mortgage work on non-IT.
Mm-hmm.
I'm also working on BPO 9 years experience as a non-IT,
Yeah.
as a US market work. So that
Mm-hmm.
person has particular for same company for mention on that switch on that move on IT, right? For that.
See here, what we can do
Mm.
now here, okay.
Mm.
Don't
Mm.
tell them that you are right now working with BPO. Just tell them we are working with the technical support team. Okay. Then what you
Mm.
can like what how many years of experience you have?
On 9 years of 10 months experience for that.
Okay. Example, let's say you have 10 years of experience. Okay.
Mhm.
Now we can
Mm.
just tell them 5 years I was working with
Mm.
the non-IT. Okay.
Mm.
And then later the company the company told me to upgrade myself.
Mm.
Okay. Then in the next
Mm.
5 years, I started learning Excel. Okay. Then I've started implementing Power BI. Okay. Then SQL. All this I started implementing. So in this 10 years, I have worked 5 years as a non-tech and the 5 years I have worked as a technical. then they will consider as experience with any domain. Okay.
Okay, I got
In
this
the
point.
yeah.
Okay, I got this point.
Hmm.
So, and one more question. So, the company for asking me for the project. What do you for the project work that they asking me for that? Then what I give for the answer for that?
I didn't get yours. Sorry, I'm really sorry. I'm not able to understand
In
properly.
in this point, I understood, sir. In this point, I understood.
Huh.
And for the interviews, the HR asking me, what do you for previous you doing for project work? They asking me right for that. No. So what they
Mm-hmm.
give for the particular answer? That's why I'm asking you.
Project you are asking, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So what you can tell? Okay. We are not working
Hmm.
on project. Okay. You can just tell them. Okay. We are
Hmm.
getting the data from the directly from the as you are working for
Hmm.
US mortgage, right?
Yeah,
Mortgage.
yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah.
directly tell them we are
Hmm.
directly getting the data from the client side and we are working and creating the
Hmm.
reports. Okay. Day to day,
Hmm.
we are working on the same tools and started
Hmm.
implementing new and new techniques. Just tell them.
Hmm. Okay. So
Okay.
what they give for package depends on company for what?
I'll come to the package point. Don't worry. I'll explain for everyone.
Okay.
Mm.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, Samir, you have any question?
Yes, sir. Actually, I am completed my diploma from
Uh-huh.
CST, Computer Science and Technology. So
Mm-hmm.
this skill for my eligible, I am in this
Yes, you are eligible. Don't worry. Diploma is also fine.
diploma also fine, right?
Yes, yes. Don't worry. It is also fine.
Okay, okay. Thank you,
Hmm.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, let's move on with the next. Okay. So let me show you like how is the opening and like what is the salary packages. Just a minute. Huh? I'm showing you the live data analyst job roles. Huh? So here, guys, we have right now 1,46,963 opening all over India. Okay, all over India. And this you can see, these are recently posted jobs. This is not old. Okay, like people are hiring the data analysts. Why? Because there are needs in the companies because data is generating day by day, data is generating many. Okay, and to handle that, the big companies are hiring the data analysts and they are giving good packages also. Okay. So now here you can see this is the highest job roles opening for any job role in IT sector. Okay. Now let me come back to the salary part. See here, it is between 3.5 to 6 LPA. Okay, for a ratio. Okay, and then depend upon like how you perform. That is also important. Okay, so minimum will get from 3 to 6 LP. Okay, but guys, let me explain you one thing. But if you have good, if you want the good salaries, okay, for that there are the three important things that I'll discuss later. Okay, now how we can have the good salaries. Okay, now let's move on with next agenda. Okay, now what all things we'll be covering in this? Okay, so starting with Excel, we'll starting with the Excel part. Okay, so Excel will take hardly 10 to 15 days. Okay, after that, just a minute. Excel will take hardly 10 to 12 days, not 15, 10 to 12 days. Okay, after this, we'll be starting with Power BI. The Power BI will take almost 15 days. Okay, after the Power BI, we'll be starting with SQL. After the SQL also will take almost 17 days. Okay, 16 to 17. Then Power BI will take almost 15 days. Okay, Tableau will take hardly 10 days. Tableau is only the things which are required in the industries. Okay, and then Python will take hardly 2 weeks. We can consider as a 12 days. 12 to 15 days. Okay. So altogether, guys, this course will complete within 3 to 4 months. Okay. I always complete the course between the 3 months only, between the 3 months only. I'll not take more. Okay. But I'll try that it should complete it within 3 months. Okay. After that, I'll be giving you one project. Okay. In this project, the data is based on the industry only, like industry, how will be working on the data. Okay. And then we'll be taking the mock interviews also. Okay. So after the mock interviews, we'll be ready for the jobs. Okay. And don't worry about the jobs, guys. Okay. So our team, okay. So the Aniket, the Mantesh and me, okay, we three will be supporting you for the placements. Okay. And we give 100% placement. Okay. That is a record that we give 100% sure shot placements. Okay. So now next and if you want more information about the placement, okay, like what is the process and all, you can just connect with Aniket. He will tell you about the placements part. Okay. And what you have without letter to the training, I'll guide you for the training part. Clear? Now let's move on with next. Okay. Like what is the actual salary if you want? Okay. Let me add it here one slide. See here now. If you want good package, okay, there are the three important things. First is your communication. Okay. Second is your confidence level, guys. And third is your technical skills. Okay. If you have these three good, okay, I'm 100% sure that you'll get package from 6 to 12 LPA. If you have good all these three skills. Okay. But you have average skills. Like example, you have your average in the communication. Okay. But you have good confidence level as well as you have technical skills. Then your package will be your package will be from 3, okay, 3 to 7 LPA. Okay. Based on how you perform, your package is decided. Okay. So in this way, there the packages are decided. Okay. And let me just inform you guys. From the last batch, one of my student got placed in a company called as Herman. Okay. And she got the package of 11 LPA because she was having good experience with the communication. She was working with the sales team previously for 6 months. And then she started learning the data analysis from like I am taking the batches. Okay. Then in the last batch only, she got a good job with a company called as Harman, and she got the 11 lakh package. Okay. Why? Because she was good in all the technical skills as well as the confidence and communication. Okay. So you can also get that much of package, but if you have all these all these three things. Clear, everyone? Everyone is clear till here? Hello, guys.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Shivani is asking one question. Applying for a job as a fresher is necessary to have deep knowledge of. No, 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 no. See here, Shivani, you should have at least 60% knowledge. Okay, because everyone know that data analysis should work on 5 different tools. Okay, so the interview is not expected that you should have 100% knowledge. You should have minimum 60 to 70% knowledge. Okay, so if you miss some questions in the interview, that is fine. They can manage. Clear, Shivani?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay. And for the mock interviews, guys, once you complete the entire batch, okay, I'll be taking the mock interviews and it will be the practical session as well as the theory part also. Yeah. Any doubts on this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. And now, guys, let's move on with the timing of this batch. Okay. So, how many people are comfortable for the morning batch? Like morning 7 to 8? How many people are comfortable for morning 7 to 8? I'm just asking, we are not decided yet. Chandan, Gaurav, Kavita, morning 7 to 8.
No,
Redappa,
sir. Actually,
Shivani,
our office is from 9.
from 9. Okay. What about evening 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. evening?
Yes, sir. I'm ready for that.
Yes, sir, I
Okay.
am available 9:30 to 10:30.
Okay. Chandan, Shivani, Redappa, what about evening 9:30 to 10:30 p.m.?
Sir, I'm night shift, so I'm logging for 8 o'clock.
Okay. You are doing the night shift, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. No worries. Don't worry, guys. Okay. What we'll do now? We'll plan the shift. We'll plan the batches according to that. Okay. We are not on the proper, like we will discuss with everyone personally. Okay. And then according to that, we'll plan the batches. Okay. Don't worry.
So
And soon we'll
you
be
will
starting.
provide for a weekend, Monday to Friday or Saturday, Sunday also you will available for that, right?
No, it will be Monday to Friday. Monday to Saturday, sorry. Saturday also I'll be taking session, don't worry.
Saturday also you will. So for 1 hour or 2 hours?
Huh?
1 hour or 2 hours?
1 hour, 1 hour. I'm
1
So
taking
hour.
this class
yeah,
happening Monday to Friday every day, right?
Monday to Saturday. Saturday also there will be sessions.
Okay.
Okay. Why I'm taking Saturdays also because when we take the Saturday session, the whatever duration we have decided, before that only we can complete the batch. That's why. And you will be also ready for a job. Like you'll be after completing the course, you'll be ready for a job. That's why we are taking from Monday to Saturdays batches. And it will be completely 1 hour. Okay. And if possible in some if you think that we need to extend, then we can also extend for like 1.5 hours also. It depend on the situation. So don't worry. But from Monday to Saturday, there will be the batches. Okay. Yeah, everyone.
Okay, so you will
Yes.
provide for 100% placement, sir?
Yes, it is 100%. We are giving 100% placements.
Okay.
Okay, sure. So guys, if you have any doubts, so you can ask, or else we can wind up the session. Any doubts, anyone?
So the batch will start from 1st of May, right?
Yeah, first, but we have not decided yet. Okay, might be we'll be starting on the first only, or else we can start with just a minute. Because still people are enrolling these batches. Okay, already we have more than 5 to 6 students. Okay, so we are planning by might be for Monday also, or might be we can start from first or the second of the May. Okay, like this first week or first week of May, or might be we can start from fourth, like directly from Monday also. We'll tell you about the timings. Don't worry, but we'll be planning soon only. We are not delaying this back. We're planning soon only.
Yes.
Sir, mostly
Okay,
important
sure.
is SQL and Python is most important for that.
No. Most of the tool is important for Power BI and SQL, not Python. Don't
Okay,
expect
for
because
yes.
Python you should have only 10% knowledge. But for
Okay,
SQL,
okay.
yeah, SQL and Power BI you should have almost 80% knowledge.
Okay.
Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Any
Statistics,
doubts?
no need, sir. Statistics,
No,
no
no,
need, right?
no, because
Okay.
statistic is part of data science.
Okay.
It is just
Okay.
used for sure. So guys, we'll stop here only. Okay. So if any doubts you can ask me, or else we can wind up. Gaurav,
But,
Samir, Chandan.
actually, sir, our class from when to start?
Huh?
Our class when it will be start, sir?
I didn't get what you said. Hello. Okay. Sure. So we'll stop here, and about the next information we'll get on the WhatsApp messages. Okay. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thanks for joining everyone. Bye bye, and enjoy your Sunday. Bye bye.
What about course fees, sir?
Huh?
Course fees, how much?
I didn't get what you said.
Course duration, how much and course fees, sir?
3 to 4 months.
Okay. What about the course fees, sir?
Fees.
Yeah.
So fees you can just connect with Aniket. Okay. So might be it is I
No.
guess from 20 like 70 to 20,000. Even I don't know. But 20,000 is there. But you don't need to pay one time. If you want, you can pay for one time also. Okay. But if you want to pay within the installments, that also you can do.
Okay, sir. Thank you for the information.
Okay. So, thanks for joining everyone. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Have a nice day, sir. Thank you.
Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you everyone.